Hello, today we're gonna make a Christmas ornament. We need three stems. One white, one red, and one green. And we need a scissor. We will take the white and the red stem. We will take the first corner and we will turn it. And now we will take these two stems and we will lightly turn off. Now we finished to turn it. Now we will fold it in half. And with the scissor we will cut it. Now we will take one of it and we will bring this corner to the down. And we will not bring it all to the circle. Like a circle shape, we will just do it here. And now we will repeat the same step on the other side. And now we will take the green stem. We will fold in half. And we will bring the two pieces that we make. We will put it in a cross like this, and we'll bring it in. We will bring these two in front. And now we will turn it. Now we will take one side and we will bring it a circle. And now we will turn it and we repeat the same step. And now we will set the ornament just like this. And here we go, we made a Christmas ornament. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.